Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel DN Art. Today I'm making a different video here and I am making these gnomes, and I used to make these a few years back, and they were a bit smaller in size and I call them pocket gnomes, and they were very popular at that time. People usually like to buy them, so they were your gnomes companion. So let's start. So I thought, why not make them? But this time I'm making them crystal. They are crystal gnomes. So starting off with a polymer color, a polymer clay, and the color are really up to you, whatever color you like. I am currently at the moment working with the skin color, and this is for the nose. And for the body, I am using white color. So when I'm working with the clay, I don't wear gloves because I'm comfortable while working with the bare hands, so I can feel the clay. So these are really simple to make. So at this moment I'm making a hat. You really don't need any special tools. So this is the hat done. And now I'm working on the body of this gnome. So this is a fur fabric that you can easily get from the shop. So with I'm using a Fimo liquid here, and I'm just applying a little onto the clay, and with this I will be sticking this. So this is the fur and I just cut it to give it a realistic look. This is the beard, and again I'm using my Fimo liquid clay, applying a little bit onto the head, and to which I will be attaching the nose. And with the hat, oops, the nose got down. We will be pressing it hard. So when I'm happy with my position, I will be applying more Fimo glue or Fimo liquid again on the top of the hat. And here we go. And now I will be pressing it really hard to fix it. So again, this is up to you how you want to shape the hat. So this one is done, and now I'm attaching the crystals, and again I'm using this Fimo liquid to where I will be attaching the crystal. I will be applying it generously. So here I'm using this pyrite. I use this a lot in my work, you know that. So just pressing it onto the place. And with this, I will be adding some quartz crystals. So again, whatever crystal you like, you can use in on your gnomes. If you are happy with amethyst, quartz, rose quartz, really up to you. And if you're giving gifts, you can use the crystals they like and according to their properties, if you believe in that. So that one is done, and on to the third one. So it's getting cold now, so the clay is getting hard, so I had to warm it up into my hands and have to knead it correctly. So it's taking me some time. And this is how I'm cutting a beard again. You could make a beard from a white polymer clay, but I like to use these because it gives a realistic look. Plus they look so cute. So going through the same process, I just changed the color of the hat. It's a bit of forest green color. And now I will be adding the crystals again to it. So going with the same theme, I'm using pyrite and quartz. So here these three cheeky gnomes are all done and they are ready to be baked into the oven. And I'm sure they're having some sort of conversation here. And this is when they are baked so what
into
I did
the
here is
oven,
I applied
all
a
safe and
little bit
sound.
of quilting glue on their hats, and when they were dried, I'm using this gold mirror. So I've done on the one, and on the second one I'm doing here. So this again is really up to you. If you like to draw patterns, you can draw patterns with the Posca pen, and but I wanted to let them be simple because they are crystal gnomes. So I'm just using a simple gold touch. These three handsome gnomes are all done now, so let's see their final look. So this is how they turned out, cheeky and cute gnomes, and this is a fun gift you can give during this holiday season to your friends, and you can use crystals whatever they like. So it's really a cute and adorable gift idea for you for this festive season. So I hope you like this little mini tutorial on these gnomes, and I'm sure you will be making them, and whoever will be receiving them, they will be very happy. I'm sure they will be happy because they will give a smile on their face. So that's it for now, and I hope you like this tutorial. And if you
Thumbs
like
up.
this tutorial,
And
please
if
give it. You haven't subscribed, please considering do so because I do make a lot of videos and they are of different sort mixed media. And like, subscribe, and share. And your comments and positive vibes are always appreciated and they motivate me. So, again, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.